Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add or delete comments in Canva. So if you're working on a design with someone else, you might want to leave them a comment, and it's really easy to do. So as you hover over different elements of your design, you can leave a comment on that area. So say I want to leave a comment for someone about this image, I can either click on it and then click on the little comment tab, or I can right click on it and this whole bar will pop up and I can click on comment. So I'm going to do that, and I can add my comment. So maybe it's something like delete this, then you add that comment in. And if you wanted to delete this again, you can click onto the comment to view it, and then it's really simple to delete. Just click on the three little dots and more will pop up. Click on that and then click delete. That will delete the comment thread. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.